What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with Chris. We got an awesome fight scene breakdown for you guys from the Raid 2. You guys have been asking a lot for the final fight scene in the kitchen with the two silat masters. So take a look at this first part. We're going to break it down into many parts because this is one long fight scene with a lot of details in there. So we're going to break down this first few exchanges right here with these two guys. Let's get to it. So you see there from the reenactment that we worked so hard on to do, frame by frame for you guys. They start right there and they enter the dragon, going reference point to reference point. They know they're both getting in a fight. So right from the reference point, the bad guy here goes in with a quick slap to a back fist straight to Rama's temple. Rama counters by parrying and stopping that punch from coming through. From here, the bad guy's gonna swing around to the other side and give him a nice inner forearm shot here to the other side of his head. Rama's gonna use his right hand and stop that strike from coming through. Come around, he's gonna go for a double strike here with a slap and a back fist at the same time. Rama puts up his guard and gets pushed back. So the second time they meet hand to hand here, the bad guy is going to fake Rama out by trying to bait him to block to this side. He's going wham! After he baits him on this side, he's going to come around for this elbow on this side, trying to strike him right on the side of the head. Then from here, he's going to go for a low punch. Rama backs up, blocks that with both hands. And then the bad guy again comes with a low kick. Rama again ranges out and gives him another block as they back up. Now, the bad guy uses a nice bait here. He sticks out his arm for Rama to grab and tells Rama to go for it, you know, by just looking at it. So as Rama grabs his arm for some kind of grapple, the bad guy comes over the top, breaks this grapple with his elbow strike, clearing his hands out of the way. And then he goes for a nice shot either to the solar plexus or the groin. Rama backs up and just blocks that as they, again, back away from each other. Again, after they break off, the bad guy, he baits Rama in, again with his leg. Rama does a quick roundhouse all the way through. The bad guy lifts up his leg. Rama spins around. From right here, once the bad guy drops his leg, he goes for a roundhouse high line. Rama ducks all the way under. And then Rama goes for the Matrix style dodge as the bad guy comes with a high hook kick. After he bends the back and does the Matrix move, Rama goes for his wide roundhouse. As he goes for that roundhouse, the bad guy ducks under and sweeps his leg out from under him. Boom! And knocks Rama to the ground. After he sweeps that leg and Rama falls, the bad guy goes for a stomp right onto Rama's head. He rolls out of the way. And that's the end of that. So one really cool thing I liked about this fight scene was the baiting that the bad guy does here. Especially the second time they meet hand to hand here. He baits to the one side to open up the other side for that elbow. But Rama's really quick, and he gets that block in there, which is really good for him. So that'll be it for this fight scene breakdown. Again, the Raid 2, the kitchen fight scene right there at the beginning, those first few exchanges between these two awesome combatants If you like this video, give us that thumbs up. Thanks to Chris for helping me out with this one. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more of this fight scene coming your way. It's going to be a lot of breakdowns for this one because, again, it's a very long one, very detailed, and whoosh, we get to that double karambit at the end. That's going to be fun. So we'll see you guys in those videos. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about some of these techniques, or if you have any variations to these techniques, leave a comment. Love to hear from you guys. As always, game on, stay fit, keep on training. See you.